Hello, this is a short presentation video about the game EsentarArena. EsentarArena is an online multiplayer team-based game set in a non-persistent fantasy world. The player can choose one of the 8 available classes and fight at the side of one or two factions. Battles can take place in maps with two different game types, battlegrounds and arenas. Battlegrounds are medium to big size maps where up to 32 players fight with objectives like the most common capture the flag, control points and other types. In arenas, two teams with up to 5 players fight for the last stand in small sized maps. We also think about adding a rating and matchmaking system for the latter type of game. So let's explain the basics of the game. The control system of the character is the same we find in many massive multiplayer online games. So we can move with the mouse and the keyboard in the 8 base directions. We have a third-person camera with free look control. Then we can acquire a target by clicking on it or using the tab key. Here on the middle left we can see the frame of our character with many informations like current life and mana, and our current target on the right. On the bottom we have a bar with the skills that can be performed and their description into the tooltips. They can be used by clicking on it or pressing the key we have bound to them. On the left side of the screen we see our teammates and on the right the enemy team. Let's take now a quick look at the skills. We have different types of skills like melee attacks, spells that can cast bolts, spells with instant effect cast, skills that have an area of effect, this is invisibility. We have auras that affect surrounding enemies. There are movement skills like the charge and the leap of the warrior. Here we have the teleport of the mage. We can instantly teleport where our mouse is pointing. As we can see, many skills have pushback effect on our opponents. And of course, our priest class can cast healing and shielding spells. Furthermore, the player can see his skills and features and configure his characters by accessing some configuration panels. We have the skill panel, where we can drag skills away and customize our skill bar. And we have the masteries panel, where we can distribute a given number of points among masteries, which allow the player to specialize his characters by improving the effectiveness of his skills and features. Okay, now we are going to show you a duel in Arena game mode. Here we create a server and load the map you chose. Once inside the server, we create a duel team. Then choose the arena map we want to queue for, and as another player joins, we can select our class and wait the game to start. Well, that's all. Enjoy the combat and goodbyes from Trinity Team.